Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll discover powerful herbs that can naturally boost your energy levels and keep you active throughout the day. We'll also share tips to improve digestion and metabolism for better overall health. Plus, learn Ayurvedic solutions to support hormonal balance in a safe and effective way. Stick around to explore how these simple remedies can transform your well-being. This video is for educational purposes only. The herbs mentioned are based on Ayurvedic practices and may affect individuals differently. Always consult a healthcare provider or Ayurvedic practitioner before starting any new supplements, especially if you have health conditions or are pregnant. Individual reactions may vary, so ensure these herbs are safe and suitable for your needs. To begin with, here's the first herb. Ashwagandha is called the queen of herbs for a reason. It reduces stress, calms the mind, and boosts energy. It's great for improving sleep quality, which is essential for hormonal health. Many women also find it helpful for reducing symptoms of PCOS. Ashwagandha is a powerful herb known for its multiple benefits, including stress reduction, energy boost, hormonal balance, enhanced fertility, and improved immunity. To use, mix half a teaspoon of its powder in warm milk at bedtime or take capsules as advised by your healthcare provider. However, avoid using it during pregnancy unless prescribed, as it might not be safe. High doses can lead to side effects like headaches, stomach upset, or lower blood sugar and blood pressure. Always consult a doctor to ensure the right dosage and suitability for your needs. Next on the list is Shatavari, which is known as a woman's best friend in Ayurveda. It supports hormonal balance, improves fertility, and soothes menstrual discomfort. Rich in phytoestrogens, it's great for women going through menopause. You can mix Shatavari powder in warm milk or water for an easy daily dose. Shatavari supports hormonal health, particularly for women with PCOS or menopause, boosts fertility, and aids in weight management. Take 1 teaspoon of Shatavari powder in warm milk or water daily, or use tablets, capsules. Avoid if you have estrogen-sensitive conditions like breast cancer, and consult a doctor if on hormonal treatments. Side effects may include mild stomach upset or allergies in some individuals. Triphala is a blend of 3 powerful fruits. It keeps your digestion smooth and helps detoxify the body. It is also amazing for boosting metabolism, aiding in weight loss. Take it as a tea or in tablet form before bedtime for the best results. Triphala improves digestion, supports weight loss, detoxifies the body, promotes hormonal balance, and boosts energy. Take 1 teaspoon of Triphala powder in warm water before bedtime, or use tablets. Avoid during pregnancy as it may induce contractions, and it's not suitable for those with diarrhea or frequent loose stools. Overuse can cause stomach cramps or gas. Always use in moderation. Fourth on the list is Brahmi, which is perfect for calming the mind and improving focus. It's a go-to herb for women juggling multiple responsibilities. Brahmi also supports mental clarity and reduces anxiety. Add it to herbal teas or take it as a capsule to enjoy its calming effects. Brahmi enhances brain function, reduces stress, balances hormones, improves digestion, and boosts energy. Boil 1 teaspoon of Brahmi leaves in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes and drink once daily, or use capsules, powder as per instructions. Avoid if you have thyroid imbalances without consulting a doctor, and be cautious if using sedative medications. Overconsumption may cause fatigue or digestive issues. Always follow recommended dosages. Up next is turmeric. It is more than just a kitchen spice, it's a healing powerhouse. Its anti-inflammatory properties are excellent for reducing pain during periods. Turmeric also strengthens immunity and improves skin health. Turmeric acts as an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, supporting hormonal balance, digestion, skin health, and weight loss. Take half a teaspoon in warm milk or water daily, or use it in cooking or as a supplement. Avoid large doses during pregnancy as it may stimulate the uterus, and it's not recommended for those with gallbladder issues. High doses may cause stomach upset or diarrhea. Always use in moderation for best results. Moving on to moringa. It is a superfood that's rich in iron, calcium, and vitamins. It boosts energy and reduces fatigue, making it perfect for busy women. It's also great for bone health and managing anemia. Moringa is also known to regulate blood sugar levels, which is helpful for people with diabetes. Moringa is packed with nutrients, supporting energy, digestion, hormonal health, reducing inflammation, and promoting weight loss. Mix 1 teaspoon of moringa powder in water, juice, or smoothies, or add it to soups and take as capsules. Avoid during pregnancy as it may lead to uterine contractions, and start with small amounts to prevent digestive discomfort. It may cause nausea or bloating in sensitive individuals. Always use in moderation for best results. Lastly, we have fenugreek on the list. It is amazing for improving digestion and boosting metabolism. For new mothers, it's also known to support lactation. Plus, it helps control blood sugar levels. Fenugreek seeds are also rich in fiber, which helps in weight management. They can reduce cravings, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. Fenugreek helps manage blood sugar, boosts digestion, supports lactation, aids in weight loss, and regulates hormonal imbalances. Soak 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds overnight and drink the water in the morning, or use powdered methi in curries and as a supplement. Avoid during pregnancy unless prescribed, as it may induce labor, and be cautious if combining with diabetes medication, as it may lower blood sugar excessively. It may cause bloating in some individuals. Always consult a doctor before use. Here are the key takeaways from today's video. Ayurvedic herbs are powerful tools for boosting energy, improving digestion, and maintaining overall balance in your body. Incorporating them into your daily routine is simple and can lead to noticeable health improvements over time. Start with small, consistent steps, like adding herbs to your meals or drinks, and watch your health transform. These small changes can make a big difference in how you feel every day. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Thank you for watching. Remember, incorporating these Ayurvedic herbs into your daily routine can bring about positive changes in your energy, digestion, and overall balance. Start small, be consistent, and you'll soon see the benefits. If you found this helpful, don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips on living a healthier life. Take charge of your wellness today, and we'll see you in the next video.